love about this house, out of everything, is a view that you're looking at right now.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we visit one of my best friends, Ron Robinson, and his wife Lisa, out in their beautiful home in Lawrenceville, Georgia. He's going to give us a tour of his beautiful backyard and how he got it to be so awesome. Take a look. Action.
Good morning. My name is Ron Robinson, and I'm with Robinson Pool Cleanings. And I am here today to shock the Robinson's pool so that their guests do not get E. coli or any slime on them when they are in that pool. Thank you very much for watching.
By the time we're done with this pool, it's going to be nice and clear. Ron Robinson Pools has been in existence for all of 5 minutes, and we really trust and rely on them to not only shock the pools, but to keep such good landscaping. I mean, look at this. This is magnificent.
So if you look here, this is Power Powder Plus 73. So what this is going to do, and this right here, one bag is 1 pound, and 1 pound treats about 16,000 gallons. And so this pool here is about 27,000 gallons. So I need about 1.5 of these to treat this pool.
Okay.
And I'm simply going to go back here, go to the middle of the pool, and I'm going to this stuff will be circulated by the actual apparatus over there, which is the engine that actually moves the water through the pool all day. So this type of stuff takes effect. This is done on a weekly basis. Yeah, my crawler's right here. Right, this one right here is actually one that, the reason why it's not in the water, we're actually taking this up to get it repaired. But since it's down, so when it's down, you have to actually manually clean your pool. Old school
Elbow grease.
type thing. And we attach that there. And then you have a big, long 10-foot pole. On this right here, this is deeper than the pool. This goes all the way down. And you see I still have that 7 foot right there. And I still got another 7 foot that's above. So this is 14-foot pole. So, oh, and by the way, this pool gets closed. It gets covered every October. Because when the leaves start to fall, you don't want these leaves in your pool.
Now, is this pool heated?
This pool is not heated. Right? That is something that if we were bigger, more like, we're not really a swimming family. If we were a big swimming family, we would have a heated pool and swim all year. This is just for entertainment during the summer.
Jump in every now and then.
Every now and then.
We'll cut that out. We'll edit that out.
Edit that out?
Yes. Jens?
Okay.
Okay, I see that you cover your outdoor furniture. Can you give me an explanation why you do that?
Well, because we want to preserve the beauty of the lawn furniture, right? And so we had a real rainy season, and so, but whether it's rain or it's the winter time, we cover this. So just to preserve it, you know, you make a nice investment in whatever you buy and so forth, and you want to preserve it.
Can we see what it looks like?
Sure. This might be a little. So for instance, like this. This is one of our chairs, and this is the matching set here. You know, so stuff gets under there, but you know, clean it off, brush it off, and you have a
that looks brand new.
Yeah. A couple years old, and you know, got the matching furniture over there. Barbecue grill and stuff is back there.
Just like a storage area over there.
Well, we actually put this over here. All this over here, this furniture right here is under here because we're gonna have covers for this, right? And so we just put it here, and then of course when folks come over, this furniture is out so people can sit on it, and then just have the grill back there, you know, so you have a nice little entertainment, have a good time. The biggest headache would be cleaning the filters. right? And so back here, there's 6 huge filters in that tank there.
6?
Yeah. And so, because you mentioned about is it a heated pool or not? We're going to change this pool, this tank out and have one as opposed to having filters, paper filters. We're going to have sand.
Sand. So, so it'll filter it just through sand?
Yeah, it'll filter through sand.
Is that cheaper?
It's way cheaper. It's way less headache as far as maintenance.
Really?
Yeah. My wife stays on me about doing the heated pool, but you know, it's like I said, if we were more of a swimming family, that'd be more of an urgency, but we're not there.
Okay. And side note, this yard looks amazing. Looks like you've spent a lot of time out in this yard.
Yeah, absolutely.
As y'all can see, just in general, this yard is absolutely beautiful. The landscaping is impeccable. I mean, it looks like this dude been out here all summer long.
So starting from the ground up. So every 2 years, around February, March time, me and about 4 of the guys come out here and we actually replenish the mulch, because as you know, mulch is biodegradable, right? So, and then plus we have...
So it goes away.
It goes away, and plus you have, you know, the rain and stuff like that. And this is red mulch, which is really labor intensive. I'm going to switch this out partially to black, because I'm going to put other foliage out here to cover, like ground cover.
Okay.
Right, and but it takes us damn near a week to put this out.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, because
like you and 3 other guys?
Yeah, yeah, because you have to do it in stages, right? And so it's about 4 inches thick on this side over here, and you do that, you know, with the erosion and the biodegradability of mulch. And then we have the different plants here, and so we got the trees here, the crepe myrtles. Right, and crepe myrtles, they bloomed. We're in August, end of August. These bloomed a little late this year. They bloomed maybe like in July, and they really add beauty to your yard.
So beautiful. That color is just... I mean, that if you didn't have these, that would completely change what this place looked like. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you gotta have that pop.
Yes.
Right. And then so even that's why the color red on the mulch, because you gotta have that pop, because you have the green, but you need something to accent.
But you know what I really love?
What's that?
This little pop of yellow right here.
Oh,
Look at that thing.
Yeah.
That's like, don't sleep on me. Don't sleep on me. Y'all ain't all that, okay?
Right. And then so it's landscape all the way across. You know, you make sure that we shape up the hedges and things like that. You know, but just wanted to have it that resort feel, so that soothing, because I'm from Ocala and I like the country. I like the feel of nature, right? A house is nice, but you know, coming out with the, you know, in nature and actually get some fresh air and stuff like that, you can't beat it.
You can't.
So, in closing, I'd like to thank you for taking your time out to visit with us today. We showed you how we do our shocking of our pool that we do on a weekly basis. Then we gave you a little tour of starting out with probably some of the things that we're going to change, and with the filter, we're going to go from a filter to a sand system. Then we showed you beautiful landscaping here. We love our mulch. We're going to make some little modifications with that and add a little bit more ground cover. And then we showed you our beautiful crepe myrtles, and talked about like some of the. I forgot the area over here where we do the entertaining. It's a storage barbecue area. These chairs come out, and then we have people over and have a real good time, play music, games, and stuff like that. And but again, we want to thank you guys for taking time out to join us here at Casa de Robinson.
Thank you so much, Mr. Robinson. We appreciate it.
Oh, you're so welcome.
You ain't got to go, but you got to get the hell out of here.